In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Vids for YouTube video creation. This innovative tool from Google can be quite a game changer for content creators looking to streamline the video creation process directly from their Google workspace. So grab your note-taking gear and let's dive right into this tutorial designed to get you up and running in approximately 5 minutes. Let's start by navigating to Google Vids. For those unfamiliar, Google Vids is a part of the broader Google Workspace suite, offering intuitive video making capabilities. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type in the Google Vids URL or simply search for Google Vids in your search engine. Upon reaching the Google Vids homepage, the interface is user-friendly, welcoming you with its streamlined design. Next, we're going to sign in to access all the personalized features of Google Vids. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on this button will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use with Google Vids. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one linked to your YouTube channel or the one you intend to use for video creation. This step is crucial for a seamless workflow between Google Vids and YouTube, so take a moment to ensure you've chosen the correct account. Once you've successfully logged in, we will now navigate to the file we wish to transform into our next YouTube masterpiece. On the Google Vids interface, locate the File menu. This is where your video making journey begins. Clicking on this menu unveils a treasure trove of options, but for today's purpose, we're interested in one specific feature, download as MP4. This option is the golden ticket, allowing you to take your video projects from the Google ecosystem and prepare them for the world stage on YouTube. Now hit download as MP4. This process might take a few moments depending on the file size and your internet connection. What it's doing is converting your video project into a universally compatible MP4 file, which is the bread and butter format for YouTube uploads. Once the download is complete, you'll find the MP4 file in your designated downloads folder or wherever your browser is set to place downloaded files. At this stage, you're almost ready to bring your content to life on YouTube. But before we wrap up, let's touch on a crucial tip that can elevate your video content. Remember, the quality of your video can significantly influence viewer engagement and receptivity. Google Vids provides a robust platform for creating videos, but it's up to you to ensure the content is engaging, well edited, and tailored to your target audience. Experiment with edits, incorporate feedback, and always aim to improve your craft. Now with your video file downloaded and ready to go, you're set to upload it to your YouTube channel. The process from here on out follows YouTube's standard upload procedure. Head over to YouTube, click on the camera icon with a plus sign at the top right corner, select Upload Video, and choose the file you've just downloaded from Google Vids. From there, you can fill in all the necessary details like the title, description, tags, and settings to optimize your video for the best performance on the platform. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to utilizing Google Vids for your YouTube video content creation. This powerful tool not only simplifies the video making process, but also seamlessly integrates with YouTube, making it easier than ever to bring your creative visions to life. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, Google Vids offers something for everyone. So go ahead, give it a try, and take your YouTube channel to new heights. Remember, creativity is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, keep creating, and who knows, your next video could be the one that takes the internet by storm. Happy video making,